Open Capcut and add all of your selected photos. Delete this outro of Capcut. Adjust time lengths of the photos to 3 seconds to seconds to seconds to seconds to seconds respectively, specifically for this video only. Go to aspect ratio and click 9:16 and zoom in all the photos to fit the frame. Add transition black fade with duration 0.3 seconds and click apply to all. It's time to add the effects. Black flash to size 0, intensity 5. Sharpen edges filter 0, size 5, sharpen 40, blur 0. Ripple sharpen 30, size 0, twist 0, intensity 20. Go to adjust vignette 10, filters humble 20. Now we'll add the animations. In the intro photo, add rock vertical with full duration. In the next to add pendulum 1 and pendulum 2. Add popping candy in the next one. Add wave amplification in the last one. It's time to add the text. Choose the font to Rubik and outline the text as shown. As I'm adding the text, subscribe to me in the meantime, please. Now add the watermark overlay. Go to Remove BG. Click Chroma key and adjust as follows: Shadow 100, intensity 50. Click on Splice and then Overlay. Adjust the size accordingly. Now it's time for the most important part of editing. Actually, no matter how beautiful your edit looks like currently, but if you don't do what I'll tell you to right now, your edit will look incomplete as F. Guys, you need to keep the frame rate to 60 to keep the smoothness to its highest. And that's how you learn how to make this video in less than 4 minutes. I'll be back with more tutorials in the future. Stay tuned.